Hi guys, this will be a very short video on the screwdrivers, and it's a direct result of one of the conversations that we've had in the comments sections for one of the previous videos on sizes, on hex nuts, and using the right screwdrivers for the job. Okay, so for opening most of these amplifiers and preamplifiers that I'm buying, I'm using a set of cheap set of screwdrivers that I got for working on mobile phones, because believe it or not, but from time to time I need to work on one of the phones that belong to some members of my family or my friends, because now and then everyone hits the screen and there is someone around that can replace them, and that's me. Okay, so this one, the set, we have a main screwdriver. We can make it longer or shorter if we need. There is a elastic part that you can use to make it longer and to reach in some hard to reach places. There's also a set of two. There's also shorter one, stiff ends for the screwdriver, and we have a set of pliers. We have a few plastic prying tools to open mobile phone cases and similar devices. By similar, I mean, for example, TV or audio video remotes, and this is very useful set of tools. We have a sucking device to remove the cases from mobile phones. We have a pin to open the trays for SD cards. And what's the most important thing about this particular set, and why I did get this particular one, is on the other side. And that's it. Full galore of many different types of screwdrivers, and there are obviously some regular suspects, like full set of small, very fine Phillips screwdrivers. There is a set of flat ones. There is a set of Torx endings, a set of Torx with hole inside, and set of 5-star screwdrivers like here, and many different others, like, I don't know, triangles here, or something like Phillips but with 3 blades, not 4 of them. Something very weird like reversed Phillips, and weird things like that. But the ones that are most useful to me are 2 sets of hex that you can see here, and this is very interesting and useful, because one of them is metric and one of them is imperial, and there is a difference. They are not exactly the same, although they are sometimes very close. And getting the right tool for the job means difference between breaking a screw, damaging a screw, so you won't be able to easily undo the screw, or just nicely undoing it. If you have a tight fit on your screw, it means that you are using the right tip for your screwdriver. If your tip fits but it's a little bit loose, that little bit may mean difference between breaking the screw and undoing it. So that's it. I'll try to link in the description to this set, if it's still available, because I got it like 4 years ago or something like that. Yeah, as you can see, we have another set of prying tools for mobile phone cases, and we have Magnetizer and the Magnetizer here, and inside we can see some screws from one of my digital to analog converters that are conveniently hidden here, so I won't be losing them. And that's it. Small and very useful set of screwdrivers. Maybe just one more shot so you'll be able to see the descriptions and the types. Maybe you'll be looking for something like that, so you can check and see if it's here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys, and see you soon.